If your Feit Electric smart plug has stopped responding or is showing offline in the app, a factory reset will fix it completely. Smart plugs can lose their Wi-Fi connection after a router change, network update, or app glitch. Before resetting, always try simply unplugging the smart plug for 30 seconds and plugging it back in first. If a simple restart does not restore connection, a full factory reset is your next best step. Locate the reset button on your Feit Electric smart plug. It is a small recessed button on the side of the device. On most Feit Electric smart plug models, the reset button is clearly labeled and easy to find with a close look. Have your phone ready with the Feit Electric app installed and updated before beginning the reset process. Press and hold the reset button firmly using your fingertip or a pen tip for a full 10 seconds. After about 3 seconds, you will notice the LED indicator light on the plug begin to flash rapidly. The LED flashing red and blue alternately confirms the factory reset process has been triggered successfully. Continue holding the button for the full 10 seconds. Releasing too early may not complete the reset. Release the button after 10 full seconds and watch the LED behavior change immediately. A rapidly flashing blue LED after release indicates the smart plug has reset and entered pairing mode. If the LED does not flash blue, repeat the reset process. Hold the button for a full 10 seconds again. Open the Feit Electric app on your smartphone and navigate to the home screen. Tap the plus icon or add device button to begin adding your reset smart plug as a new device. Select the correct device category, smart plug, from the add device menu in the app. Before proceeding, confirm your phone is connected to your 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network. This step is critical. Feit Electric smart plugs only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and will not connect to 5 GHz networks. If your phone is on a 5 GHz network, go to your Wi-Fi settings and manually switch to the 2.4 GHz band first. Return to the Feit Electric app and allow the device discovery process to scan for your reset smart plug. Your smart plug should appear in the discovery results within 30 seconds. If pairing mode is active, tap the discovered device and enter your home Wi-Fi network password when prompted by the app. Double check your password entry carefully. An incorrect password is the most common setup failure reason. Watch the progress bar as the smart plug connects to your Wi-Fi network and registers with the app. A success confirmation screen means your Feit Electric smart plug is fully reset and reconnected. The LED light turning solid green confirms the device is online, connected and ready to use. Test the smart plug immediately by tapping the toggle in the app. Your connected device should respond instantly. Also test the physical button on the plug itself. It should manually toggle your connected device on and off. Your Feit Electric smart plug is now fully reset, reconnected and ready to make your home smarter than ever.